Hello, I'm Dr. Matthew Sim. How are you feeling today? I hope you're feeling famous. If you're not, take up a sport. Maybe you can take up the sepak takraw, the game where you kick the wooden ball. After that, I plan on a trip to Shanghai. I go to China, Shanghai, and when you're there, you should visit the Oriental Pearl Tower. It's about 468 meters high, and it's opposite the famous Bund, B-U-N-D. Right, go up there, have a look. I went there, it was quite interesting. Shanghai is a beautiful place, a wonderful place. And it used to be the financial capital of China, and it will be, or it already is. Go there, have a look. EPSIA. Okay, today I'd like to talk about your own residential property. If you own a house, your own residential property, my former boss, she told me this, the lady boss, said the moment you have a property, your own residential property, pay it up as fast as you can. We all have to take a mortgage. All us humble investors, we have to take a mortgage. But she advised me to pay out as quickly as I can. With any bonus, use it to pay up so that in the end you'll be debt free with regards to your residential property. And the reason is very simple. You never know when you'll be having work or you'll be out of work if you're unemployed, or if you are a businessman, you don't know whether the market will be up or down for the year. So what's important is that your first house, your residential house, is paid as quickly as possible. And if anything happens, then your family is taken care of and you're not thrown out in the streets, right? So it's very important. So the point she's trying to make is your house, pay it up as quickly as you can, and keep your family safe. Initially, I didn't do that. Initially, I thought that I could borrow money from the bank. Now the interest rate is quite cheap, 2 to 3%. And then I thought buying stocks and shares in the market and making the difference. You know, the investment advisors always tell you that you can get 10% return in stocks. And if you borrow 2%, you have a spread of maybe 6 to 8% returns. But that's never the case, right? Most of the time, the market fluctuates wildly, and you find that you lose money. In the end, I took my boss's advice. I quickly pay down the house as quickly as I can. It's something worth thinking about, right? Think about it. But only buy a house if you're going to stay there for the long term and you're going to retire in the area. If not, I suppose the best thing is to lease your house. You have to decide for yourself. See you next time. Boom.